Hi friends, let me show you this new LED lighting fixture that I received for viewing purposes. As you will see, it's a really large lamp, a large fixture, okay? You get the accessory to install it. This is the frame to install it. And take a look at the size of it, okay? It's a large lamp. It will give a lot of light. It's a metal base and it has these accessories so it will diffuse heat, okay? So the heat can be ventilated, okay? It's a 240 watts unit, okay? And it has to be installed hot water, okay? This one goes here, so you can put it in a different angle, okay? It is a 240 watts lamp. It can cover more than 3,200 square feet. The LED color is white, clear white, and it has an IP65 rating, so it can withstand outdoors water and temperature, okay? It's recommended to be mounted from 6 to 20 meters tall or height.
Hey guys, as you can see, it's already installed. It's very bright. Actually, I'm gonna place it. So set it down like this, okay? It's really nice because it gives us a very nice light on the ground. It's perfect for indoors, outdoors, wherever you want to play. And it's perfect for your terrace, your patio, where you want to play them. I think these are really nice floodlights that are very accessible. As you've seen, you just need some basic wiring and just place a plug that's in, and it doesn't have a very complicated installation, so I think that's a nice thing, and it works perfectly. It has this part, so it has, well, ventilation, so the LEDs don't overheat. And overall, I think it's a great LED floodlight, which I will really recommend. See ya!